how to order on DHGate. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to order on DHGate. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for DHGate.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of DHGate. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, to order on DHGate, scroll through and search for the product that you want to order and tap on that. Now, if you want to buy just one item, tap on the Buy It Now button, or else tap on the Add to Cart button and continue shopping. Before you head towards the next page, you will be asked to select the color, size, quantity for the product. So, go ahead and enter those, and since I want to buy only this product for the time being, I will tap on the Buy It Now option. Now go ahead and review your order and enter any promotion code if you have, and tap on the Apply button. Finally, tap on the Pay Now button, and with this, your order will be placed. So, this is how you can order on DHGate. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.